War Day number 707. 707 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, January the 31st, 2024, last day of the month, January. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. One binary regular puzzles. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But right now I will start with the 3 stars Sudoku. The 3 stars Sudoku number 7906. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've not counted yet. Let me zoom this a little bit. Yeah. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 26, so could be should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. If it's a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 3. We have 7 and 3 in this second column, so no 7 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the first one. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. We have here 4 missing numbers in the first row. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in the first row could be here, here or there. We see another 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column now need to place left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. And now, need a 7 here. Okay. Now. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the third column, so no 1 and 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes here. There, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need 8 here. I need 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me see. The 5 here. How about 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. How about? Need a 4 there. Yeah, need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Well. Need a 9 here. Okay, and now. Yeah, I'm thinking. We have a 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. How about need an 8 here? Okay. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 1, 2, 8. 1. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now, 7 and 3. Cannot do anything with that number. How about 4, 5, and 3. Need a 3 here. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, no 5 here. 5 should be here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? These 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 7 and 3, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column, the only place left of the 4 is should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Alright. 10 minutes already passed. Okay. And now, let me see. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and a 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 9. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 and the 3 are missing. No. 7 and a 5. Almost made a mistake. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the first row. 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, cannot believe this. Again, what a sprint. Well, not quite a 3 stars, not quite a 2 stars. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. Well, publisher need more challenging Sudokus. So give us more challenging puzzles. Alright. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.